Good morning, everybody. This is All on Investments. Please be sure to take a moment and subscribe to the channel before we get going. Okay, first stock today I'm sort of doing a recap here. Sorry, I'm discombobulated here with the Thanksgiving and everything. First stock on the list, I have a KTTA. They made let's see what they had, some kind of nasal spray or something they got approval for. So this thing like tripled right when the news, when the news, I guess when the news, what everybody first found out about the news early this morning, like tripled, pulled back just about half the way of that, just like to 430, reclaimed it, made a nice gap and go through the open, hit a high of eight somewhere other. It looks like 822-ish or something like that. Some nice volatility here. Excellent trading through about 11 o'clock. And they sort of pulled the rug out on everybody, and then just sort of, hung around VWAP for pretty much the rest of the day. So hopefully you guys got some action on that one. PTPI, this one annual. I think they came out with some kind of annual statement or something. Evidently, some people probably want to strangle their broker for letting them, buy in this early in the morning. But yeah, so it went from like uh $2 to like 5.16, and then just sort of sold off the rest of the day. Sort of looks like they sort of finished where they started at. Um, ISPC, something about the government giving the money for it to use human specimens for something with COVID or something like that. Uh, really choppy, through the pre-market here, and then it just sort of fell off on everybody right at the open. Sort of, just sort of sold off all day. So it sort of looks like it made a big move yesterday. So, yeah, so I guess it was a continuation. So it's yes, who knows if it's going to want to hold around 12 or if it's going to drop more or what it's going to do. Let's see, ISPC. Yeah, what did I think? Trying to remember what the catalyst was on this. Reports first complete remission in trial of acute leukemia cell therapy. Uh, I'm not a scientist, but it sounds like something for them. Okay, so it went from this one had a pretty nice throughout the day. Nice nice move here around like 11:20. I know it doesn't look like much, but that's from like $10 up to like 14 right there. So they're 13.75. Then it bounced off a VWAP and went from something like 11 all the way up to doubled again all the way up to 22. So it's some nice action on this one. Held that 9 really nice. GRCL, they announced a share repurchase. There was all sorts of nice stuff going on today. I wish I wish it was a normal trading day for me. GRCL, they didn't really do anything until the open. Let me see what the news article is on this. Oh yes, I said it was share repurchase program. Yes, I don't know why there wasn't any volume overnight. Let's see here. For some reason, I thought I had read that they had already announced it. Well, it says, okay, maybe I must have read wrong. But yeah, so nice move here. You know, right at, early on in the day. Looks like it halted going up here at it's like 9:35 ish, something like that. Halted on a circuit breaker. Yeah, so then see, it got halted at like something like 7:50. Yeah, and reopened here at 8:27. So that's oh, it's nice that that halt worked out for everybody. So we're consolidated, broke out again, hit a high of just like almost wanted to touch it. 1183. Does that look right? 1180. Yeah, and then came down. Hopefully nobody tried to buy the dip. 'Cause, they just pulled the rug out on everybody and just about looks like about fell all the way back down. And yeah, yeah. Well, that was interesting. All right, GRCL. Let's see, QLGN. I don't think there was really a clear catalyst on this one, but they really had some volatility. It looks like maybe a continuation from yesterday. Let me see what the news is yesterday. Maybe you'll be able to figure it out like that. Circulation of Zach's small cap research note showing a $9 price target. Let's see, third quarter results. That was last week. Trading lines. I guess that's the big excitement is the new price target. So, yeah, so they didn't, let's see. So it had made a big move after hours yesterday. And it had been sort of selling off, and then it looked like it, tried to reclaim that and couldn't quite do it. So, sort of choppy. Made a few nice spikes throughout the day. So, hopefully some of you guys got some action on that one. That's nice how it reclaimed VWAP right here and made that move from two to three. That's one of the other stocks did that earlier. Sometimes, like when one does it, everybody gets excited. They're in the same frame of mind. They move on to another stock. Looks kind of everybody was on the same page like that. Let's see what else is there. XL. Yeah, nice move here at the open. A nice gap and go. I normally don't trade the first 5 minutes, but when there's this kind of when the market's hot like this, sometimes it's not a bad idea to get in. Because he hit a high of 638, that kind of just pulled the rug out on everybody. Looked like it tried to bounce off of VWAP and just couldn't do it. XL, MNOV. They made this one didn't really get going until after hours today. So not seeing a clear catalyst on it. Mm, yeah, I don't know, but yeah, but it should have moved from it started to break out right here before hitting $4 all the way up to let's see like 590 or something like that. Oh, nice move on it. It's UROW is the only other one I was thinking of right up. Just a nice open on this one. Went from 450 up to 498. It looks like. So yeah, so that's about all the excitement today. I just wanted to go over some of the stuff that's been happening today. Once again, this is Olive on Investments. Feel free to check out our website. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please go ahead and do so. And all right, I'll see you guys tomorrow.